mask mandate and every other mandate that is on district speaking today.
You don't threaten the health and safety of people's children and expect that there will be no repercussions.
Just minutes ago, Knox County Schools voted not to mandate masks in the classroom. The vote comes during a nearly 6-hour meeting that is still going on. The meeting started with a lengthy public forum. 60 people signed up to share their thoughts. Everyone had 3 minutes to speak. Parents were not allowed to be inside unless it was their turn to speak to the board. There were some space limitations in the assembly room, so many of them protested on the sidewalk before the meeting started. 10 News reporter Jacinta Render is following this story. Jacinta, the vote on the mask mandate comes hours after the discussion started.
Yes, Robin, this meeting is still going on, but it took about 30 minutes for them to call a vote on masks. Here's what was voted down. Board member Daniel Watson wanted everyone, students, visitors, and teachers to all wear masks in Knox County schools. Students would be able to opt out, and there were some exceptions. Teachers can remove masks when more than 6 feet away from students. Masks wouldn't be needed outdoors either, or for staff members with medical conditions. During the public forum, parents were passionate about if there should or should not be a mask mandate. Some say they are necessary to keep everyone safe. Others say it needs to be a parent choice.
The pediatric healthcare system is overwhelmed. Our offices are struggling to maintain phone calls and just getting everyone scheduled. This has just been, we're overwhelmed.
I spent 12 years building my children's immune system because the CDC explains that the immune system is the body's natural way of protecting itself from infection and disease. Taking care of yourself helps your immune system take care of you.
Masks were not the only thing discussed tonight. The board talked about attendance and how absences will be counted due to isolation or quarantine. After more than an hour of discussion, they voted to put a new amendment in the policy and talked about it during next week's meeting. They talked about COVID-19 isolation leave for employees. It only took about 15 minutes to approve at 10 work days off if they get a positive COVID-19 test. These isolation days will not count towards their sick days. They also passed a motion to work with the law department on creating a school-based COVID-19 dashboard. It would allow parents to track COVID cases within each school and report positive cases. The meeting is not over yet. There is still some discussion, and we will keep you updated tonight as things move along.
Jacinta Render live for us. Once again, the Knox County School Board voting not to institute a mask mandate. Now